Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking Trader Joe's sweet potato fries. So these are frozen sweet potato fries from Trader Joe's. No need to defrost. We always cook fries in the air fryer straight from frozen. Super simple. Let's take out the air fryer basket. And now I'm going to open a package of fries and just dump them in the air fryer. So here are the sweet potato fries. And let's put the basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 12 minutes. Now halfway through cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket. And I'm going to shake the fries to redistribute them so they cook evenly. And now let's put them back in the air fryer and let them finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the sweet potato fries. Look at that, they're perfectly cooked and look amazing. So easy to make them in the air fryer. So if your fries are not cooked, then you can always put them back in the air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, or until they're perfectly crispy to your liking. You know, some people just like fries more crisp than others, but I find that 12 minutes is perfect for these fries. So good. And now let's try them. I love sweet potato fries. I'm so excited about trying them. So delicious. They're so soft on the inside and crispy on the outside. Perfect, delicious texture for these sweet potato fries. And by the way, the Trader Joe's package for them does have the air fryer instructions now that are actually, I find them wrong. They say 400 degrees for 7 to 8 minutes. This is not going to be enough. They will not be cooked. I find that 12 minutes is perfect. So air fryer is so good for making fries. You will love making them in the air fryer. And for very easy air fryer recipes, please check out my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!